Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 4 atomic structure. Students, today we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. Today I will discuss the tough questions of the exercises as well as we will see the syllabus of the third quarterly exam. Let us see the syllabus first. Chapter 4 and chapter 5. Two chapters are there. Chapter 4 full chapter, whole chapter, but chapter 5 only 3 topics. What are the topics? Chemical reactions, types of chemical reactions and conditions necessary for chemical reactions. Chapter 5 is language of chemistry. You can see here what are the key concepts we will cover. First 3 key concepts we will cover. 2 key concepts will be left that will be covered in the next exam. This is the syllabus of your third quarterly exam. Now let us discuss the exercises. Students, be prompt we have discussed in the previous video. Today we will discuss short and precise and at length. First of all, short and precise. Show the given text in the form of flowchart. First question, atoms, molecules and radicals. First you have to write atoms, then draw 2 arrows coming out from atoms and the arrow should point, one arrow should point molecules, other arrow should point radicals, because molecules and radicals both come out from the atoms, both are formed from the atoms. So this is the flow chart of first question. Students, I will discuss the tough questions only. Other questions you can solve yourself because all are discussed in the videos. If you have any problem, you can ask. Next, 3 number, classification of elements on the basis of valency. How to show valency? 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus. After 4 plus, the valency starts decreasing. 3 minus, 2 minus, 1 minus and 0. What are the elements that come under these valencies? Let us see. Hydrogen, 1 plus hydrogen, 2 plus beryllium, 3 plus boron, 4 plus carbon, 3 minus nitrogen, 2 minus oxygen and 1 minus fluorine. 0 for the noble gases helium. Similarly, you can write other elements which belong to these valencies by seeing the periodic table, but you have to learn only up to atomic number 20 as your syllabus of class 7. So only up to 20 you will write for this question, classification of elements on the basis of valency. Now B number, give reasons for the following statements. 1 number, an atom combines with the other atoms or molecules. Why does an atom combine with the other atoms or molecules? The answer is, an atom combines with other atoms or molecules to accept or donate its electrons. Question number 4 is a little tough, so we will see that. Periodic table is based on atomic number. Periodic table is based on atomic number so that it will be easier to know their valencies, therefore we can know their the elements properties. Now come to the next question, answer in short. Question number 5 is difficult, all others are easy, you can solve yourself. Let us see question number 5. Define valency in context to hydrogen atoms. Answer is, in context to hydrogen atoms, valency refers to the number of hydrogen atoms that can combine with an element which forms a compound with a hydrogen. So this is the valency, definition of valency, but in context to hydrogen atoms. Then come to at length. At length, A number, differentiate between the following. Question number 2, atomicity and valency. Let us see. Atomicity is the number of atoms in a molecule of an element, but valency is the number of electrons an atom can donate or accept to other atom. So this is the difference between atomicity and valency. Question number 5. Molecule of an element and a molecule of a compound. What is the difference? Molecule of an element consists of all the atoms of the same element, but a molecule of a compound consists of atoms of different elements. Now come to the answer in detail. This is the last part of the exercises. Answer in detail. With the help of examples, show that a molecule of a compound can be broken into its constituent elements. It is given in the book, even then I'll just show you. Answer. A molecule of a compound can be broken into its constituent elements. How? Example, barium azide. This is barium azide. This is the formula of barium azide. A compound, when heated, decomposes to give barium and nitrogen, both of which are elements. How? When barium azide is heated, it gives barium and nitrogen. So, with the help of this example, it is shown that a molecule of a compound can be broken into its constituent elements. One more example. When electric current is passed through acidulated water, it decomposes to give hydrogen and oxygen gases. See, this is water. When electric current is passed through this water, what happens? Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. These two are released. Two gases are released. These two examples show that a molecule of a compound can be broken into its constituent elements. These are the few difficult questions of this chapter. Solve these questions in your fair notebook and other questions also in your fair notebook. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.